the national Indian icon.
Selamat Abhinandan. Let's go to our judges.
Please put your hands together for Team Kungru from Chicago! And what song are you going to be performing first today?
So it's a medley of a couple of songs. We are doing a semi-classical fusion this time.
Semi-classical fusion. Very nice, very nice. I could sense that each one of you had a smiling face. You're enjoying your performance big time. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपको performance कैसी लगी इस group?
What do you girls think? Did you guys do better, different than yesterday? Was it the same?
Better than yesterday. Not the best, of course. We always strive to do better every time.
Yes, the best is always yet to come, right?
Exactly.
And I would have loved to see some of the actions there. Sorry, I'm more of all into the song and all into the meaning behind the dance. So I would have loved to see some of that, but overall I enjoyed. I loved. I'm watching 6 sunflowers on the stage. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you once again.
Please welcome with huge round of applause, Gia Latava. Splendid.
Well, it was very nice. I liked your choreography, but when you're using sargam and doing footwork on sargam, it can get tricky. So you have to be very careful when you're doing footwork on sargam. In Kathak, we have a lot of tarana steps that can be used in sargam, and that would have flown beautiful on this. But kudos to you to select a song which was performed so many times yesterday, but you still selected the song and wanted to show, I can do this again, and I can do it better. So I think that was a little gutsy, and kudos to you for that. So good job, keep going, and do more.
Thank you very much, and a huge round of applause for Gia.
Put your hands together for our little Miss Rapala from Chicago.
उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरूंगी बलम तू देश मौसम्बी उड़न छू छू मैं चिड़िया फिरूंगी बलम तू देश मौसम्बी
दिल की आदतें बंदर छाप है खाली पीली छत पे चढ़े चढ़ के उतर जाए हरदम मोड़ में लल्लन टाप है
जिंदगी में गिनता है एक दो तीन चार पाँच
चल धतिंग नाच.
नाच. Okay, judges, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में?
You like classical better or Bollywood?
I can't decide. I like them both.
So you tried with the थाली and अच्छा लगा मुझे. हार्ड होता है बैलेंस करना, बट थोड़ा और जब हम सोलो करते हैं उसको थोड़ा और भी कर सकते थे. एंड आपका जो प्रयास था आज बॉलीवुड के लिए, इट वाज गुड. लास्ट सॉन्ग जो था बहुत एनर्जेटिक है, उसमें हम थोड़ी और एनर्जी डाल सकते थे, बट ओवरऑल यू ट्राइड द अनदर फॉर्म विच इज़ गुड. थैंक यू.
Awesome. Very nice job. Thank you once again for an splendid performance. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Anuja Modak from Chicago. All the very best. We're looking forward.
शाम रोक गई रोक गई रोक गई सारी शाम रोक ले और जग मुख चूम ले, मुख चूम ले, मुख चूम ले। सज से मोरी चुनरी गई गई गई, सज से मोरी चुनरी गई। सरक 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 सरक।
So हम लोग जजेस की तरफ चलते हैं और जजेस आपको इनकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी लगी?
परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी थी आपका, बहुत बहुत बधाई, आप फाइनल्स में हैं। और जब हम नेक्स्ट लेवल पे आते हैं तो थोड़ा सा और मुझे लगता है तैयारी हो सकती है। आपने शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी थी, बीच में मुझे लगा थोड़ा सा ड्रॉप हुआ है और फिर उसके बाद एंड में वापस आपने लिया है। और मैं भी माधुरी दीक्षित की बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ और सच अ ग्रेट डांसर। So here we go. Thank you.
We really enjoyed your performance. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, please put it up one more time for a good performance.
Please welcome with your huge round of applause, Priyanka LaCroix.
Hey
Amazing, adorable performance, Priyanka. Just like you. Now, the expert comments.
Beautiful. You look very pretty. You have a lot of potential, Priyanka. I think you have a very, very cute face, very expressive eyes. But this was nice too. I love the song selection too. Very cute. I would have. This is a note to the choreographer. I think the Kanthamani and Motiyan Ki Mala, more appropriate actions would have even enhanced your performance better. But I think you looked very pretty and you did justice to the song. So very nice.
Thank you, judges. Thank you, Priyanka.
International Indian icon.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Trisha Chakravarti, all the way from Florida. Wow, घर मोरे परदेसी आओ पधारो.
I would have loved to see the variations and expressions in this dance. There's so much potential in this song to give. Murchit hui re hiraniya. You know, there's so much beautiful lyrics in this. I would have loved to see that pretty face give me a lot more feelings and emotions. So let's work on that more. You have a lot of grace. Let's work on a little bit of technique. But you look beautiful and I enjoyed watching you.
Thank you for a stunning intro. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
Please welcome Shraddha Mulgund Joshi. All decked up in a beautiful attire. How are you, Shraddha?
Doing good, thank you.
Om Namo Narasimhaya. Om Namo Narasimhaya. Dhimi ta thom thom dhimi 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 ta kita dhimi ta dhim dhim dhanda 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 ta kita ta dhari ta dhanda ta jhunnu ta
धिमी धण्ड धण्ड झुण्णु धिमी धिमी तकिट धीम धीम धिरगड़ तत् धण्ड झुण्णु ढिडी कुकुत ढीम ढीम तडिकु ढीम ढीम कुकुत ढीम ढीम कुतत्त धिरगड़ तत् धण्ड झुण्णु ढिडी कुकुत ढीम ढीम महादंष्ट्रायुध महाज्वालाय भैरवाढम्बर विश्वम्भराय घोर विक्रम दैत्य दानव भञ्जन क्रूर हिरण्यकशिपुध्वंसकाय तरि तकिट धण्ड तकिट झुण्णु तकिट धिमि तकिट तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं 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 तरि तकिट धण्ड तकिट झुण्णु तकिट धिमि तकिट तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुं तद्धिङ्गिण्णतुम् अघोराय विजय नारसिंहाय
सच्चिदानन्द योगानृसिंहाय प्रह्लाद पालक श्री नारसिंह वेद्याय वेधसे पुरुषोत्तमाय
धिरगड़ तद्धरि धिरगड़ तद्धण्ड धिरगड़ तज्झुण्णु धिरगड़ तद्धिमि तरि तत्तं नारसिंह नमस्ते नमस्ते महानारसिंह 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 नमस्ते नमस्ते।
श्रद्धा जी, मैं पूरे यकीन के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि श्रद्धा ने आज बहुत ही श्रद्धा से नृत्य किया। चलिए पूछते हैं जजेस साहबान से।
क्लासिकल में आपकी 20 साल की मेहनत बिल्कुल दिखती है, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू।
Congratulations, very favorable comment, Shraddha ji. Thank you very much. Thank you, judges. Thank you, audience, for your huge clap. From Georgia, Ashna Chimagurthi. Full on full-on performance, Ashna Chimakurti. You did incorporate all the things I think which judges told you last time. Let's hear from them now.
That was beautiful. I enjoyed watching you. It was a good blend and a little bit more practice. Are you tired a little bit?
No, just out of breath.
Just out of, not right now, but before that.
Oh, no.
No? Okay. A little bit more energy, especially when the hip hop comes. Expressions could also vary a little bit between the two styles. Would have taken this experience, this whole experience one notch up. But overall, awesome.
Wonderful. Thank you, judges. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Buckeye Challengers from all the way Ohio. Judges, आप लोगों ने कभी ट्राई किया इस तरह का डांस with this kind of balancing act?
I have actually
You
learned
have.
Boomer and this one too. Yeah. Well, very nice, beautiful. I felt like I went into Rajasthan. So very nice, very nice. Beautiful costumes, beautiful props. I love the traditional action. The actions that you've used. You stuck to the folk and you knew what you were doing. Beautiful. I loved it. I was transformed in Rajasthan. So thank you.
Thank you once again. Really appreciate it. One big round of applause for the Buckeye Challengers from Ohio.